Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change your username in the Whatnot app. If you have been wondering how to update your account name, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily, so you can have the username you prefer. First, open the Whatnot app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, click on the View Profile button. After that, you will see an Edit Profile option. Click on it to make changes to your profile settings. In the username field, enter the new username that you want to use. Make sure it is unique and follows the app's guidelines. Finally, after entering your new username, click on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Your username will now be updated, and you can continue using the app with your new identity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.